This one is from Jeff in Texas. He says, I recently received a troubling letter from the IRS. It stated that in order to receive my 2022 tax refund, they had to verify my identity at ID.me. A picture of my driver's license, front and back, and a selfie would be required. I complied. The IRS owes me $5.5K. It turned out that the selfie was actually a biometric facial scan. I'm really worried that ID.me or the IRS could use my facial scan in nefarious ways. Also, ID.me or the IRS could be hacked and my identity stolen. I filed my taxes for the first week in February. The letter said that an additional 9 weeks is required before I receive my refund. I'm sorry, but this is a bridge too far. Do you think the IRS has overstepped its authority? I do. Are there other ways to identify someone other than a biometric scan? I quickly adjusted my W-4. I will never receive a refund again.
Okay, so, you're feeding right into something, two aspects here. First, the refund thing. Getting a big refund is a detriment, not a benefit from the IRS. It means you made an interest-free loan to the government. And as you discovered in your case, you're being held hostage to get your own refund, your own money that you overpaid through withholding over the prior year back. So the whole ID.me began because of the enormous problem of tax ID identity fraud, where people were filing returns as if they were someone else, putting in all kinds of false information, and then the refund was going to the wrong person. So that crime has declined significantly because of ID.me. And that's why they use this verification process. So it's because of a prior wave of identity theft that was causing huge hassles for people. I mean, people were waiting more than a year in many cases to clear it up and get their actual refund back. So we're trading one issue for another. The ID.me is so that the IRS knows as well as they can that you are who you say you are, and they're not sending the money to a crook. For whatever reason, there was some anomaly involving you that made them worried, their analytical tools worried that maybe you weren't you. And so that's why you have this extreme invasion of privacy that you're facing with the scans and the information you had to supply.